I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Syed Amaruddin Chisti for scoring rank number 511 in amazing rank and very good rank in DM Medical Group in NEET SS session 2023. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for creating such a wonderful platform for preparation of NEET Super Speciality. I would like to take this opportunity and this platform to thank, first of all, Almighty Allah, who has blessed me with this opportunity and this rank. And then to definitely to my parents, my faculties, all the faculties, and especially to my wife and in-laws who has pushed me doing so much and such great rank.
Very good, Doctor. Very good. Now, can you tell me your detailed background from where you started MBBS, where you did your medicine? Can you tell us something about yourself?
Yes, yes, so definitely, sir. Sir, I have started my medical journey in 2013. I got admission in GMC Aurangabad, Maharashtra for NEET for MBBS, and then again in the first attempt I got MD medicine in the same college, GMC Aurangabad. I have completed my MD medicine in this 2022. And afterwards, then I had decided not to go for super speciality.
Oh.
And I joined for my bond for SRship. So it was clear in my mind that I was not going to do this super speciality. But after working for 3 and 4 months, I realized that actual patient management is occurring at super speciality level nowadays. So then, and also from my family doctors who are in contact, they also advised me that this is the era of super speciality and you should go for that. So then I decided, yes, we'll take a chance. Then I came to know about the speed, and then I started preparation in this. I took the subscription in April or May, I think, 2023. And then I started preparation from later June. And this was a wonderful journey with this.
Great. What all you did from April and May, June, July, August? What all you did at the time? How much you time prepared? How much you dedicated? Time was dedicated for this. What all you did in that time? Can you tell us on that?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, actually, I started from the mid-June or later half of the June, and when I started from the NEET, this speed videos, I started taking notes of all the videos. I did not have very much time because only 2 to 3 months were remaining because it was already June or July and exam was planned in the September. So I started making notes of the rapid course, which was there in the speed. So that was the most beneficial, and it has proved phenomenal in getting this rank. Because the way I study is I take notes and then I revise it later. Because without notes, it is very difficult because last moment revision is all based on the notes only. You cannot revise everything in the last 1 week or last 2 weeks. So if you have something in your hands in those last days, then it is very effective in revising and getting good marks.
Very good, Doctor. A lot of students like you have said this rapid revision has been a magic. That lot of questions.
Yes, definitely, for sure.
Lot of questions came from that area, they said.
Yes.
Very happy. Yes. So how many questions did you attend, Doctor?
Actually, I attempted all 150 questions.
Oh, great.
Yes.
Very, very nice. I mean, there is a bold way of taking a decision to go all out and do things possible.
Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. So, what is the message that you want to give to your juniors or friends who are aspiring for DM Super Speciality?
Yes. Sir, I would like to give, based on my personal experience, advice to all those who are preparing for the NEET, that success is a blend of 3 things. One is the hard work which you do, that is a smart work, and the next is the luck, what is written for you. And, yes, sir, definitely, sir. Sir, and that one more thing of this triad of success is I would tell it as Ashirwad or Dua, which you get from your elders and from the service which you are doing to the patient, which in return of the service, the Ashirwad or Dua which you are getting from the patients and your elders, that can change your luck, which is returned for you. If it is not returned for you, then it can change by the way of that Ashirwad. So these three things, balance, blend of all these three things will definitely bring you success.
Correct. Exactly. Very nice. Very nice way of saying. One of the best interviews, best quote I have heard in the session. Very nice. Very nice. So, time to thank whom all you want to thank, who made your career, supported you, and you have traveled with you till date. I mean, you can use this platform to thank them.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. First of all, I would like to thank for this success mainly the speed and all its faculties, because the way they have prepared and the way they are teaching based on the MCQ oriented teaching, because just going through the Harrison, it is not enough, and means you cannot decide what to remember and what to exclude. So they are focusing on important points. Especially, I loved the lectures of Joban sir for neurology and Arun Tiwari sir for rheumatology and Dr. Azim sir for cardiology. I loved those lectures. I have gone through all those lectures. And then, sir, all credit goes to my parents, my father, my mother, and definitely to my wife, and then all my faculties who have contributed to this success.
Very, very nice. See, after success, the gratitude is more important. That means, people who have been for UG days, who have been in PG days, and friends, families, relatives.
Yes.
I mean, it is a combined effort, and the student becomes a hero, and rest of all them become producers. Rest of all them become the directors and developers.
Yes, sir.
So very, very nice to hear such good words from you and thankful words, and also Speed faculty will be definitely happy listening to these words, and that will make them very, very satisfied. These words now, what you have uttered, what you have given to them, they will see this video and we will show them the video, and after that they will all be happy in taking it up.
Sir, one more thing which I would like to say here, that by listening to the lecture, I develop interest in each and every system. Now I got confused what to take.
Now I want to ask the question, what do you want to take?
Sir, as I already told you, there is now some confusion going on what to take, but I have tried and I have taken advices from all the seniors and the people who are in the field. So now I have narrowed down my confusion, and I am now of the opinion to go with the gastroenterology.
Okay, very good. Good speciality, and definitely it's very good actually. And intervention is also there, intervention.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And it's intervention field associated with that. So very nice. So once again, I bring in all the wishes and greetings from Speed Medical Institute to you for a great career in cardiology, in gastroenterology, and as a gastroenterologist, and you will definitely do wonders, and definitely you serve more patients, and for that, advance wishes and success to you. Congratulations to you, doctor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was pleasure meeting you.
Yeah, mine too actually. I also shared with you, a lot of I could hear from you, and these three words that you said, triad, really, really great, and definitely people listening to this video will definitely learn from that. All the best. All the best.